Casey Neistat, if you're watching this, I dedicate this video for you, bro. I can't wait to see you soon in New York City. So hey guys, what is up? It's March 2018 and we're going to make something fresh. So guess what? We're going to turn this into Casey Neistat's custom glasses. Let's get started! So all you need is a glasses, of course, a correction fluid instead of primer, a sharpener, and of course these mini tools or any carving tools that you have in your house, including this. So first, get your glasses and get your sharpener and remove this using your mini tools like this. Okay, here it is. We're going to scratch this like this. It's already clean. Let's proceed to the next procedure. So when you're finished cleaning this thing off, grab your correction fluid. Any type of correction fluid as long as it's a correction fluid. Then open it and put some correction fluid on the side of your shades or glasses. Just like that. So we're almost done. So when you're done carving, it looks like this. So as you can see, I wrote my name on it by carving its sides using my mini tools. I wrote the year. Now it's 2018. What to do next? Go grab an hand sanitizer and a cotton. Cotton, hand sanitizer, this hand sanitizer, and clean this. So this is a big work for us. Okay, let's get started. When it's clean, this again, and this carving tool. Get the paper or bond paper or some paper. Yes, a paper, and pour just like 7 drops, and you can start dipping your carving tool, and we write this 2018. Yes, 2018. So yes, that's 2018. So allow it to dry for a few seconds. So when it's dry, you can start forming your desired number, letter, or whatsoever. So this is 2018. So yes, that's 2018. After that, I made this. Casey Neistat. Check. So this vlog isn't complete without this. So I feel comfortable right now, guys, with my jacket and with my custom glasses that I made earlier before this vlog ends. Well, thank you guys for watching a new video of Paul Raymond Hasulga. Wait, I just want to have a friend. So is it okay for you guys if you do a favor for me real quick? I'll link 2 channels down below in the description, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's Wendy Vlog and Lorraine Esque. Yes, it's ESQ because it's ESQ. That's all. Thank you. If you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video, and don't forget to share this to your friends. And if you want suggestions, comment in the comment box down below. Thank you so much, guys.